Hello folks, and thank you for watching. Wow, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I so would love to get my hands on this one right here. This NextX Super Soaker water gun from NextX, and I'd like to thank them for sending this thing out for our review. And I'm planning on having some fun with this thing. So you know, without further ado, let's get at it. Alright folks, well here it is, the Super Soaker water gun. And as you can see, it comes in a package like this, you know, and it's two of them. As you can see, one, you know, got a different color scheme than the other one, but it's basically the same from what I can see. Okay, I'm so, you know, I gotta get inside here. And of course you can check out all these warnings on here. Definitely keep, oh yeah, this bag is not a toy. Well, we're not going to be playing with the bag, but it's not a toy. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, okay. I thought I had to poke a hole in it for a moment. Alright, there we go. Going to open it up here. See what this. Oh, and I can tell you right now, it's big, as you can see. Get our hands open over here. Alright. Okay. Oh, comes with manuals. Okay. I'm definitely going to read through the manual, see exactly how to operate our Super Soaker water gun. So, and, oh, service card and stuff. Okay. Go put that to the side. Now, to actually get it off of here. It's got these little plastic tabs on, you know, plastic holders, so you can just basically kind of snap them off. Alright. Do the same thing here. Kind of pull on it. It's plastic, I think. You can cut them with scissors too. I'm so used to just pulling stuff off. I wouldn't recommend pulling it with your hands and everything, but I'm used to doing this. But I would recommend using scissors instead of doing the way I just did it. And besides, this one of these snapped back at me like a rubber band, so definitely don't do what I just did. Alright. I guess it's the kid in me that wanted to do that. Alright. So, here they are. And from what I'm looking at, oh, it's pump action. Okay. Okay, and I believe that's the nozzle right there. Let's see what else. We got our standing water. Okay, this got to be where the water got to go in. Yep. And from what I'm trying to peek in there, let's see. It's a big tank in there. From what I can tell, it's a really big enough tank to hold plenty of water. Okay. Cool. You definitely could soak someone with this. So, doesn't have no trigger. And from what I'm looking at, like I said, I'm going to read through the manual and everything, but just from what I'm guessing, what you can do, you basically start shooting when you pump this up. And I believe water will start spraying out of here. But like I said, I'm going to read through the manual and give it a good look. I mean, it's real simple. You know, basically shoot your water out. Okay, and I'm pretty sure the same thing is with this bad boy here. Yep. Okay. Wow. You know what? Well, you know what, folks? It's better to go ahead and try it out and see what it exactly does. So, I'm going to go ahead and read through the manual here. Find out what the deal is, and I'll be getting right back at you. Well, folks, after looking through this manual, which has, by the way, comes in 4 different languages, it's basically, this water gun is real simple to operate. It's got a little side note on here that basically tells you do not give this thing to a 3-year-old. But other than that, it's real simple to operate. I mean, you know, it's pretty much, and like I said before, according to the manual, which I guessed right, you basically operate it by pouring the water in there, inside of here. Water goes in there, and then to launch the water from the gun, you just pump it, and the water starts shooting out the nozzle here. So, I'm real anxious to start playing with this thing. And I'm also interested in how far the water will go once you pump it. So, you know what? Let's go on to the next scene and find out. Well, folks, here we are. We're outside, and I'm basically going to go ahead and fill this water gun up with the water and everything. And I'm going to turn my little faucet on. It's going to get kind of wet over here. Alright, I just filled it up. So I'm going to put this on here. Alright. I think we're ready to go. Let's give this let's give this a try.
That's no arrow?
Well, folks, remember I decided to go ahead and let my wife, demonstrate the water gun and everything. Mm-hmm. And basically, she also has a cooking channel, as you're probably aware. Anyway, she's gonna go ahead and fire it, and she's basically gonna fire it at that door, and I'm just gonna let her do it. No, I mean it's pretty good because it's going a long distance. Oh my gosh!
You got to go high.
Higher?
How you do it? I guess you got to pull it up. Pull the gun up.
It's kind of windy out here too.
My kids gonna love this.
Yes, they would. I mean, it's fun.
So you have to have real strong arms too. I'm kind of not feeling well today, people. My allergies is messing with me. But I think you have to pull it up.
Yeah. And shoot. Yeah.
Shoot it.
Yeah.
See, you pull it up and it goes further. And it's windy, so it's,
It's kind of windy out here, yeah. So keep that in mind, if you're shooting this in a windy breeze and everything.
Don't do it.
If you can help it.
Don't do it. Anyway, but it's fun. I'm going to shoot it at Jerome.
No, not with the camera.
Okay, that's what you do. It doesn't have a trigger. That would blew my mind. It doesn't have a trigger. Take this little white piece here. See this little white piece here? And you pull it out. And you pull it back. See? It's fun.
It's cool.
It's cool. I have a daycare, so they're going to really love it.
Alright folks, I'm going to have my little turn with it. I mean, this is like cool. He's got kind of pull on it, and it sprays. So this is cool. I mean, I really like this. This is like really cool. I love playing around with it. This is like just trying to see how much water it keeps while you're spraying too. Just want to see. I just filled it up back up again, by the way. I just want to see how much water you can
squirts you can get out of this before it empties. So how many squirts we count here so far? Hope y'all keeping count. A lot of squirts in this thing. And now we're out. So I'm guessing roughly around like close to 10 squirts out of here before it empties. So that's cool. That's real nice. And as you can hear, it's windy out here too. And I was still able to spray in a relative good direction and everything, so that was pretty cool. You know what? I like this so much. This is like a really neat water gun. I'm gonna go ahead and provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video so you can get it yourself and have some fun with it. So, well, that's it. So thank you for watching and have a great day.